With the tool merge, you can merge some raster tiles and also manipulate a raster tile. In this example, a road cuts through a trench. For my further calculations, the trench needs to be continuous. I made a polygon layer with the minimum height of the trench in the surrounding area. First, I convert the polygon into a raster file. Click on Raster, Conversions and Vector to Raster. Choose the right input layer, the field to use, the resolution and the extent. Click on Run. Now my polygon layer is converted into a raster layer and we can apply the merge tool. Go to Raster, Miscellaneous and Merge. Choose the right input layers by clicking on the 3 points. The order is important. First choose your DEM layer on the top and then choose the trench layer on the bottom. The no data value is 0 on both layers. The new no data value will be -99. Here you can see the trench burned into the street. I will make a hillshade to visualize it better.